surgical instrument Whippy handle, discovered by Charles Russell Bird and Morgan Parker, founder of the Bird Parker Company. Use for superficial tissue cutting with a blade number 10, 11, 12, and 15, etc. Next instrument is scalpel. Scalpel, also known as knife and BP handle number 7. Use for deep cutting with a blade number 10, 11, 12, and 15. Next instrument is scalpel. Scalpel, also known as knife and BP handle number 4. Use for skin incision or debridement including a blade number 20, 22, 23, etc. Next instrument is surgical knife. Use different type of surgical blades with their number of cutting incision or excision. Next instrument is Mayo scissor straight. Use for cut suture thread, bandage and gauze piece. Next instrument is Mayo scissor curved. Use for cut heavy tissue tough structure like skin, fascia, muscles, etc. Mason scissor or fine scissor. Use for cut fine suture like vessels, tendon and other soft tissue. Artery forceps or hematostat. Use to controlling bleeding and retraction of skin and tissue. Kelly hematostat forceps, also known as mosquito Rochester pin forceps. This surgical instrument is used to clamp small blood vessel. It's a straight mosquito and a curved mosquito according to the jaw angle. Burlisher. Use. A burlisher is used to clamp deep blood vessel. Burlisher have two closed finger rings. Burlisher with an open finger rings is called tonsil hematostat. Alice forceps or Alice clamp. Use. It's used and designed to grasp and hold heavy tissue organs, skin, fascia tissue, soft tissue, like bowel and breast tissue, also used in clamp and holding operating material, such as tubes and drapes. Babcock forceps. Similar to Alice forceps clamp, it is less traumatic due to their wider and rounded edges. Use. Mostly used in laparotomy for grasping tube, like organs or structures, like ureters, intestine, appendix, and other delicate tissue. Sponge forceps. Use. Sponge forceps are mostly used in the surgical procedure to create a surgical site using a sponge to paint betadine or spirit. Another use of sponge forceps is to hold the hard surface and to hold and retract the cervix. Towel clamp or clip. Use. This surgical instrument is used to hold and grasp towel and drapes to maintain a sterile field during surgery or any invasive procedure. Poacher forceps. It has one or two teeth on a straight or curved jaw. Available in various sizes. Use. It is used for strong grip, mostly used in the orthopedics and general surgery to hold the muscle, ligament, gallbladder, thyroid, etc. Hemostatic clip and applicator. Use. The surgical instrument is used in the surgical procedure and other bleeding conditions to control bleeding by application of a hemostatic clip. Mostly used in vascular surgeries. It is available in various sizes as per uses. Right angle forceps. Another name is mixture. Use. A right angle is used to clamp hard to reach vessels and to place sutures around the vessel. The right angle with a suture attached is called a tie on a passer. Mayo Hager needle holder. Use. A needle holder is used to grasp, hold or guide the needle when suturing. DeBakey forceps. Use. It is a traumatic tissue forceps used for delicate tissue particularly in a cardiovascular surgery to avoid tissue damage during manipulation. Adson pickup forceps or dura forceps. Use non-tooth used to grasp the delicate tissue or with a teeth used to grasp the skin. Tooth forceps or thumb forceps. Use these forceps are used to grasp, hold tough hard tissue such as breast, skin, fascia, etc. Single tooth forceps are known as rat tooth forceps. It is available in single or multiple teeth. Russian tissue forceps. Use this is a rounded perimeter multi-tooth tip used for maximum tissue grasp and non-traumatic tissue grasping during dissection. Davar retractor. Use it is used to retract deep abdominal or chest incision. Available in various width. Richardson retractor. Use this retractor is used to retract deep abdominal or chest incision. Gowlet retractor. Use it is used to retract shallow or superficial incision. Army Navy retractor, also known as US Army retractor. Use it is used to retract shallow or superficial incision. A Whittliner retractor or self-retaining retractor. Use it is available with two type of ends, sharp and blunt. It is mainly used for retracting skin ends in small incision, like bone and joint procedures, small neurosurgical procedures, and plastic surgeries. Galpi perineal retractor. Use Galpi perineal retractor has two pointed ends. It is used to retract small incision. A Balfour with bladder blade retractor. Use it is used to retract wound edges during deep abdominal procedures. Cat's paw retractor. It has two ends, one side single right angle blade and the cat's claw shaped blade on the other side. Use it is mostly used in hard skin areas surgery like hand and foot